Hello, my name is Emlyn Ott. I am a Lutheran pastor. I'm a seminary professor, the CEO and executive director of Healthy Congregations, and I'm also a recent pickleball convert. A few months ago, I was on the phone with my brother, and I recall thinking to myself as he was sharing his thoughts on some of the current events in our world, and I thought to myself, I cannot understand how my brother could think this way. So my sister and I are much more likely to collude with each other. Our perspectives align a lot. We can gang up on our brother really big time, or we can whisper to each other sagely in a comforting triangle. The chance for me to move away from my brother and toward my sister is always there. So I am now in this day and age observing variations on that very process that are happening in families, they're happening in seminaries, they're happening in nonprofits, for-profit businesses in this conflict-ridden, seriously challenging time. And it also puts me, and maybe you, in the category of doing the very things I claim I do not do. So I look forward to guiding the workshop. I can't understand how you can believe this stuff, and offering that both on site and in online. On site, it will be in Lewis Center, Ohio. And I'm going to share some interesting experiments people are exploring in family and professional relationships. And you will also be hearing about an intriguing friendship that I formed out of difference and how it's helping me understand myself and my own reactions much better. And I hope you'll join me.